1854 in Ireland, events 9 January Fastnet Rock Lighthouse first lit. 21 January the iron clipper RMS Tayleur runs aground on Lambay Island on her maiden voyage out of Liverpool with the loss of at least 300 of around 650 on board. 18 May Catholic University of Ireland formally established in Dublin with John Henry Newman as first rector. Lectures commence on 3 November. 21 June during the First Battle of Bomarsund, Scarva-born mate Charles Davis Lucas throws a live shell overboard, the earliest action to result in award of the Victoria Cross in 1857. 20 September during the Battle of the Alma, Elphin-born Sergeant Luke O'Connor saves the colours, the earliest action to result in award of the Victoria Cross to a soldier. Quarrel between Tenant League and Archbishop Cullen, League appeals to Rome. The Arts and Literature. 10 August National Gallery of Ireland established. Daniel Maclise completes his painting The Marriage of Strongbow and Aoife. Births. 1 January Possible Thomas Waddell, Irish-Australian politician, 15th Premier of New South Wales, died 1940 in Australia. 9 February Edward Carson, Baron Carson, Irish Unionist leader, barrister, and judge, died 1935. 25 March John LaHaye, born John Healy, comic baritone, died 1926 resulting from traffic accident in London. 10 June Sarah Grand, Might I Loved to Have Slaves, Frances Elizabeth Bellenden Clark, feminist author, died 1943 in England. 1 May Percy French, civil engineer, songwriter, entertainer, and artist, died 1920. 16 October Oscar Wilde, playwright, novelist, poet, died 1900. 24 October Horace Plunkett, politician, agricultural reformer, and writer, died 1932. Full date unknown. Bowman Malcolm, railway engineer, born in England, died 1933. Deaths. 22 January Patrick O'Donoghue, journalist and young Irelander in the United States. 5 March Thomas Devon Riley, revolutionary, young Irelander, and journalist, born 1823. 6 March Charles Stuart, 3rd Marquess of Londonderry, soldier, politician, and nobleman, born 1778. 8 July George Halpin, civil engineer, born c. 1779. 8 August Thomas Crofton Croker, antiquary, born 1798. 19 October Henry Pretty, 2nd Baron Donnelly, politician, born 1775. 31 December Nathaniel Clements, 2nd Earl of Leitrim, nobleman and Whig MP, born 1768. References